Here is my process for rendering tallow. We used leftover fat from a beef brisket. I cut it up into chunks, put it in the crock pot. I added 3 tablespoons of salt, and for this amount, to fill the crock pot, I used 7 cups of water. I left it in the crock pot overnight on low for about 15 hours. This brought it to a good boil and helped really render the fat down. As you can see here, I then strained the fat. I put it in a bowl and in the refrigerator to solidify. That took about 7 hours. When it was solidified, I took it out. You can see the dirty water and the impurities on the tallow disc. It was very easy to scrape off. Once this was done, I cubed it back up, put it back in the crock pot with 1 tablespoon of salt and 2 cups of water for just a couple hours. I then put it back in the refrigerator to solidify. And here is the second rendering. And you can see there's just a small amount of impurities at this time, which was very easy to scrape off. And you can see how much clearer the water is on the second rendering compared to the first rendering. And water is very important so that your fat does not scorch when it's in the crock pot. So here you can see it's very easy just to scrape it off lightly. It's not all the way through, it's just really on the surface. And that's it. Look at that beautiful disc of tallow. I cut it up, I put it into mason jars, and I stored it in the refrigerator. It can be stored for several weeks until I'm ready to use it to make in my cold process soap or maybe a tallow balm. So let me know if you've had success rendering tallow. See you next time.